What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RC Propaganda here, coming at you with an exciting video here. So, woke up today, hit up the Instagrams, and I saw Axial released the SMT10. So, I just figured I'd talk about it real quick. I'm kind of excited about it. I know there was some hype getting built up around this truck. I honestly have never had a monster truck, and I think I'm pretty excited to get one. Price point looks good, specs look pretty good. The only problem for me is exactly what I do with it. I don't really have anywhere where I could race it, but maybe that's something we could try to set up and have some sort of meetups, something. I could travel, not sure. I do have a couple of things maybe in the back of my mind, but I'm not really sure if it justifies getting one. But let's take a quick look at the new specs of this rig because it looks like they did improve a few things. All right, guys, let's take a quick look at some of the specs that we have here in the ready to run. It is gonna be a kit and a ready to run. So let's just look at the ready to run real quick. It is gonna come with Spectrum radio with the STX2 and the 200 receiver, Spectrum servo. As far as motor and ESC, they will be Dynamites with a 550 brushed can on there and the 60 amp ESC. So we'll see how that is, and it's gonna be 2S compatible, but I'm sure you can bump it up to 3S. If anyone has any experience with that ESC, let me know. I'm not sure if it can handle 3S or not. Now, some of the improvements that they're gonna have here, I'm seeing, it looks like it's just gonna be your regular 3-gear transmission from Axial with the 56 tooth spur and a 14 tooth pinion. They are gonna be 32 pitched. They were advertising that, so that is going to be good. It's going to be all metal gear transmission. It's going to come with a driver figure. Let's see what else. The tires, 2.2s. Oh, another thing I saw here is it's going to come with a sway bar. I guess the old version didn't come with the sway bar. I remember someone bringing that up in one of the chats that we were having about this. Yeah, so we got a rear sway bar, so that's going to be pretty sweet. And just kind of all your regular stuff. It does look like the radio will be the one with the plastic wheel. Swap that out with the Traxxas wheel if you have one laying around, or just swap to a whole new Traxxas radio or any other RTR radio. I really don't like this radio that it's going to come with. Moving on to the kit. So I'm not seeing anything different with the kit other than it's not going to have the lime green, tube chassis, which is good. I'm not really sure all the differences yet. Let's see what it says. Same RX. It's going to have the AR60 axles, the same transmission. Sealed gear covers, we know that. Sway bar, that looks the same. It looks like the kit's just gonna have a panel on the side for maybe your sponsors or painting it on the chassis there. The kit's showing heavy duty C-hubs, not sure if those come on the RTR or not, and some chrome headers. So it looks like the kit will have some differences. We'll have to do a further deep dive in between the differences. I just kind of wanted to make this video because I was pretty excited. Are you guys excited for the SMT10? Is it something you guys want to get or what? Let me know down in the comments. But the kit's going to be coming in at $200, which, I mean, that is not bad. And the ready to run is going to be $300. So I'm kind of caught in between wanting a kit simply because I don't want those, in my mind, kind of garbage electronics. I'd probably want to go brushless anyway, but I'm not sure on all the body options. If anyone has any information on where you can pick up some bodies, I'd be pretty interested in that because if I'm going to go with a kit, I'm going to have to figure out an option for a body. I am a huge Gravedigger fan, so that is something I would like to have, but I'm not really sold on that green chassis because if the body gets all beat up and I have to do it again, I'll have to buy the same Gravedigger body, but because obviously I'm not going to be able to paint that. or whatever I do, I'm gonna have that lime green chassis. So I'm not really sure what I want to do there, but the option is there at least, which is nice. It means actually was listening to people, and they were really seeing that people want the kit. I think they're starting to see some of the value in the kit. I mean, you get best of both worlds. You know, you can get our RTR, so you can satisfy those people, you satisfy the kit people. I'm not sure how they manage that, but just, you know, cut down on the RTRs, make some kits. You're not doing it, so whatever. I mean, I'm not a business guy, I don't know. But the important thing is it seems like they're listening and they're giving the people what they want, which is important. So yeah, but I guess that is gonna be it for this video. I just wanna go over those facts on the SMT10 here. They did release it. It is gonna be out. It looks like January. The pre-orders are open on Horizon Hobby. I will put a link to that down in the description if you guys wanna check that out. But thanks for tuning in the video. You know the deal. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.